In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set SL and TP in Ctrader. By the end, you'll be able to add a stop loss and take profit to your trades confidently and adjust them as the market moves. Start by launching Ctrader on your desktop or web browser. Give the platform a moment to connect and load your workspace so price data and charts are up to date. Having a stable connection helps avoid hiccups when placing orders. Next, open the chart of the instrument you want to trade, or open the trade panel. Either route leads to the same place, the order ticket. If you're on a chart, you can usually open the ticket from the top of the chart or by using the trade controls. If you prefer the trade panel, choose your symbol there and proceed. In the order window, look for the stop loss and take profit fields. These are usually labeled clearly. The stop loss is your safety net. It closes the position if price moves against you. The take profit is your target. It locks in gains at a preset price. Depending on your layout, you may be able to enter these as a price level, a pip distance, or a number of points. Use the format you are most comfortable with. Enter your desired levels. If you're planning a buy, the stop loss should be below your intended entry and the take profit above it. For a sell, it's the opposite. Keep the distance reasonable for the time frame you're trading. Too tight and you may get stopped out by normal fluctuations. Too wide and you risk more than intended. Many traders choose the stop loss based on a technical level, then set the take profit with a favorable risk to reward ratio. Before placing the trade, confirm other parameters like volume or lot size. Make sure the position size aligns with your risk tolerance given the stop loss distance. Also verify the symbol, order type, and any settings like slippage protection so the order behaves as expected. When everything looks right, click buy or sell to place the order. The platform will submit the trade with your stop loss and take profit attached. Look for the confirmation and check the chart to see the markers for entry, SL, and TP. If you need to set or modify SL and TP after the trade is open your position on the chart and adjust the levels. In many layouts, you can drag the stop loss and take profit lines to new prices, or open the position's modify window to edit the exact numbers. Confirm the changes and ensure they're accepted by the platform. That's all you need to set and fine-tune SL and TP in Ctrader.